Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Gmail on Huawei Mate X6. Let's begin. So, as you probably know, most Google services apps have been banned on Huawei devices for a long time now, and most of them are not available in App Gallery, or they are, but they're not part of App Gallery, and instead the App Gallery just shows you like random links from the internet, which is not very safe. So instead we're going to be using Gbox. And if you don't know what Gbox is, or you don't have one installed, or basically anything else, you can always check out our video on that topic. I believe it's called How to Install Google Play Store on your Huawei device. You can just do that for free using your App Gallery. You just search for Gbox. I believe that if your Huawei is like fresh device, for example, let's say, and I think it will ask you if you want to pre-install like few different apps, this including the Gbox. But if you don't have one, you can just download it from the app gallery, and as you can see, that's all you have to do. You can just simply go to our Gbox here and go into Google Play Store, which you wouldn't have access to it normally, and just install whatever you want, including our Gmail, of course. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. See you later!